In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Twitter threads to Notion. We will walk through the process step by step to ensure you can seamlessly integrate interesting threads into your Notion workspace. This method is particularly helpful for those of you who enjoy exploring insightful conversations on Twitter and want to organize them efficiently in a place where you can access them anytime. First, you'll need to install the Notion Web Clipper. This tool is essential as it allows you to quickly save web content into your Notion account. To get started, visit your preferred web browser's extension store and search for the Notion Web Clipper. Once you find it, go ahead and install it. This is a simple, free extension and it won't take more than a few moments. Once you have successfully installed the Notion Web Clipper, you can open the Twitter thread that you wish to save. It's important to be on the specific thread page because this ensures that you're capturing the entire conversation, not just a snippet or a part of it, which is crucial for retaining full context. With the thread open, locate and click on the Notion Web Clipper. Clipper extension icon usually found in your browser's extensions toolbar. When you click this icon, a little panel will appear, allowing you to choose where you'd like to save the thread link in your Notion space. It's a handy tool for keeping everything organized. Here, you'll need to decide on the page or database within Notion where you'd like to save this thread. For frequent Twitter users, I'd suggest creating a dedicated Notion database or the page just for Twitter threads. This way, you can easily revisit, review, and even share these valuable insights later. Choose your desired location and use it as your go-to destination for saving all your future interesting Twitter finds. After selecting your destination, the final step is to save the thread's link. By doing this, the thread will be securely stored in Notion, ensuring you always have a reference to it whenever you need. This capability not only enhances your productivity, but also enriches your idea management, as you're effectively gathering knowledge from varied sources. There you have it, a straightforward way to store Twitter threads in Notion using the Notion Web Clipper. With these steps, you can now maintain a well-organized archive of conversations, insights, and information for easy access anytime you want, further enhancing your learning and productivity. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and helpful. If you did, feel free to share which threads you plan to save. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting tips and tutorials like this one. Happy organizing!